In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use CapCut to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Using this versatile video editing tool, you'll learn how to manipulate your footage to create professional-looking content with ease. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by placing your video on the timeline. This is your foundational step, where you set the stage for all the edits you'll perform. Think of the timeline as the backbone of your project, where everything comes together into a coherent, engaging visual story. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. This tool makes it simple to import your clips and arrange them in the sequence you envision. Once your footage is on the timeline, focus on the starting frame. Here, the goal is to keep it normal, meaning you'll simply be laying the groundwork. This initial frame sets up your narrative, providing a steady introduction before you bring in more dynamic editing techniques. It's all about creating a seamless viewing experience where the audience's attention isn't immediately jostled. Now let's move forward a bit into your clip. This is where the opportunity arises to zoom into the face and reposition the frame. Zooming in can dramatically alter the focus, bringing your subject into sharper view and amplifying the emotional engagement of your video. The art of repositioning this frame is crucial. Always ensure that the face is the centerpiece, evenly balancing your composition to maintain visual interest and continuity. This might require a few tries to get just right, but adjusting focus like this can make your video incredibly impactful. To polish off your work, it's time to add easing for smoother motion. Easing is a fantastic tool for making transitions feel seamless and natural. Instead of sharp, jolting movements, easing allows your zooms and transitions to glide fluidly across the screen. This technique not only keeps your audience visually engaged, but also maintains a professional quality throughout your video. Playing with easing options in CapCut is a straightforward way to elevate your video's motion dynamics and might just become one of your favorite editing tools. And there you have it, a concise method to enrich your videos using CapCut. Remember, with video editing, practice and experimentation are key. The more you acquaint yourself with different functions and effects, the better equipped you'll be to innovate and develop your unique editing style. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to create captivating videos. Keep experimenting and stay creative.